Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Tax Management Blueprint for estate planning, and how dividend income, tax planning, asset ownership, and wealth transfer can be coordinated in a simple step-by-step way. To begin with, estate planning starts by identifying all owned assets. This includes dividend-paying stocks, business interests, funds, investment accounts, and any assets that may pass through your estate or trust. When these assets are clearly listed, it becomes easier to understand where future dividend income may come from and how it may be transferred. Next, it is important to review the ownership structure. Some assets may be owned personally, jointly, through a company, inside a trust, or inside a retirement account. Each ownership type can affect control, taxation, beneficiary rights, and transfer rules. So, before making estate planning decisions, you should know exactly how each asset is held. After that, you need to understand the beneficiary flow. This means checking who will receive the assets and who may receive future dividend income. Beneficiary designations, trust terms, and estate documents can strongly affect how wealth is distributed. Therefore, keeping these details updated can help reduce confusion and avoid unnecessary family or legal problems. Then, you should know the tax layers that may apply. Dividend tax, capital gains tax, estate tax, inheritance tax, and withholding rules can all affect the final amount received by beneficiaries. Since tax rules vary by country and personal situation, it is important to estimate possible taxes before assets are transferred. Moving forward, timing should also be planned strategically. In some cases, dividends may need to be received before a transfer, retained for liquidity needs, or coordinated with year-end and estate planning deadlines. Proper timing can help manage taxes, cash needs, and smoother transfer of wealth. In addition, trusts and professional tools may be useful where appropriate. Trusts, gifting strategies, holding structures, and professional estate planning support can help improve control, privacy, tax efficiency, and long-term family planning. However, these tools should be used carefully and only when they fit the overall estate plan. At the same time, strong records are very important. Account statements, cost basis records, trust documents, beneficiary forms, dividend records, and distribution documents should be safely maintained. Good record-keeping helps beneficiaries, advisors, and tax professionals understand what was owned, what income was received, and how assets should be handled. Moreover, dividend estate planning should be coordinated with advisors. A tax professional, estate attorney, and financial advisor can review the full plan together. This helps reduce surprises, align the plan with family goals, and make sure taxes, legal documents, and investment decisions work in the same direction. Now, let's look at the key checklist. First, inventory all dividend assets. Then, confirm ownership and beneficiaries. Next, review trust and will documents. After that, estimate potential taxes and liquidity needs. Also, update records and designations when life changes happen. Finally, meet with tax and estate professionals before making major decisions. However, there are common pitfalls to avoid. One mistake is keeping outdated beneficiary designations. Another is ignoring estate or inheritance tax. Some people also fail to keep proper records or miss important cost basis data. Others do not keep enough liquidity available for taxes, expenses, or estate settlement. A major mistake is failing to coordinate trusts, taxes, and family goals together. Overall, smart dividend estate planning is about balancing income, taxes, control, liquidity, and smooth wealth transfer. When assets are organized, beneficiaries are updated, records are complete, and advisors are involved early, dividend income can be managed more effectively as part of a larger estate plan. This video is for general educational purposes only and should not be treated as legal, tax, or financial advice. Estate planning and tax rules vary depending on your country, asset type, family situation, and personal circumstances, so always consult qualified professionals before making decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.